Practical 3, title Application of Negative Binomial and Multinomial Distribution. Example, suppose 40% of passenger in a queue at a taxi stand at Pune wish to go to Mumbai. What is the probability that a 4-seater taxi owner, excluding driver, will need to ask 12 passengers to get 4th passenger? Also find the average number of persons to be asked in order to fulfill the taxi need. In solution, passenger, success and failure. In success, wishes to go to Mumbai and do not want go to Mumbai. So probability of go to Mumbai is 0.4 because 40% passengers on taxi stand are in queue. So probability of this is 0.4. Probability of failure is denoted by Q. This is Q. Does not go to Mumbai. This failure 0.6 means total of this is 1. Okay. K is the number of successes. The number of passenger going to Mumbai is equal to 4. Now X plus K is equal to the number of trials, that is 12. X is equal to number of failure, that is 8. Okay, we have given that 12 number, 8 number. Okay, now negative binomial parameter K is equal to 4 and P is equals to 0.4. What is the PMF probability? PMF distribution of negative binomial is P of x equal to x plus k minus 1 c x p raised to k q raised to x. We put values cx 0.0, 0.4 raised to 4, 0.6 raised to 6. We get 11 c8, 0.4 raised to 4 into 0.6 raised to 8. Okay, now we get after calculation 0.0709. The average number of persons to ask in order to get 4 passengers is equal to expectation of the number of trials is equal to expectation of x plus k. Expectation of x plus k is equal to kq by p, because expectation of x is equal to q by p, means mean of the negative binomial distribution is q by p is equal to 4, and putting the values of q divided by p plus k value 4, we get answer 10. Now next example. In a certain locality, in a certain locality, 30% families are in poor income group, 60% are in middle income group, and the remaining are rich. At a random sample of 10 families is drawn. Find the probability that there will be 4 poor, 4 middle class, 2 rich families in the sample. Now solution. A trial has 3 outcomes as income group. Example, poor, middle, rich, with probability 0.3, 0.6 and 0.1 respectively. Let xi, x1, the number of poor families selected in a sample of size 10. x2, the number of middle class families. Then x3, the number of rich class families selected in a sample of size 10. Income group. 3 group we divide: poor, middle class, rich, Then probability of poor is P1 0.3, P2 0.6, P3 0.1, and total probability is 1. X1 is 4, X2 is 4, X3 is 2, N is equal to 12. Now require probability. P of X1 equal to 4, X2 equal to 4, and X3 is equal to 2. We find using the multinomial distribution. PMF of the multinomial distribution we use here 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. 0.3 raised to 4 into 0.6 raised to 4 into 0.1 raised to 2, and answer of this is 0.3307. Okay.